Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change cPanel password. Before we get started, make sure you know your current password. If you don't have it, no worries, just reach out to your service provider and ask them to help you reset it. Alright, let's dive in. First, log into your cPanel account. Once you're in, scroll down to the Preferences section. You'll find an option called Password and Security. Go ahead and click that. Now, start by entering your old password in the first field. After that, type in your new password. Be sure to check the strength of your new password to make sure it's secure. Next, check the box of Enable Digest Authentication option. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Once you've filled everything out, click on the Change Your Password Now button. And that's it, you've successfully changed your cPanel password. Log into your cPanel account with a new password. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to our channel for more informative and useful content. Thanks for watching video.